So I got this turntable. It's a Sony PS333. The problem of this turntable is its speed is out of control. It's way over the speed limit. So let's take a look. I've got a record, War of the Worlds. Alright, let's check it out. Okay, let's take a listen. Well, I think that's way too fast. Let's get it out. Okay, so let's take a look at the service manual. So this is the speed control section. There's a speed detecting head. It's a magnetic head that's inside the turntable. It connects to this circuitry to control the speed. It is controlled by this switch over here, 45 rotations per minute or 33. And it's connected to this variable resistor as a pitch control. So a common problem with these turntables is this variable resistor gone bad over time. If this resistor fails, the speed control setup fails and the turntable spins out of control. So let's take a look at this variable resistor. Let's lock the arm. Okay. In order to get to the pitch control, which is over here, we have to remove this cover as well. All right. So this is the printed circuit board for the pitch control. As you can see from the markings, this is the variable resistor. So let's check if that resistor is okay. It should be a 10K resistor. Let's see if we've got 10K. It's 1.2K. And this is an open circuit. That's not good. And this is 38 mega ohms. Well, we can conclude that this variable resistor has failed. So let's take it out. Right, there it is. This is the light for the speed control. And this is the variable resistor. If you put some flux on the braid, it takes up the solder so much quicker. So we've got it. So let's check it again. Now it's out of the circuit. This should read 10K. 9.7K, so that's okay. Let's see if the wiper is still okay. 2 mega ohms. Well, 5.7K. 4.2K. Wow, this variable resistor has issues. Let's see if I got a spare one to put it temporarily in the circuit and see if this variable resistor is indeed the problem. I have this spare one. Well, it's not gonna fit on the board, but I can solder some leads on it and check if that solves the problem. It's just for a quick test, so let's get a little help to keep the variable resistor in place. Alright, let's see if this new variable resistor will make a difference. Yes, it does. Nice. I can adjust the speed the right way, so this is slower, this is faster. Let's try it with some music. Yeah, that's definitely the right speed. So it seems the new variable resistor solves the problem. So let's take a closer look at the potentiometer or variable resistor. It is clearly broken. As you can see, there's a bit of play in this knob and in the housing. So maybe there has been too much pressure on this knob over time and the construction became loose because of it. And that's what's making it fail. Since these things are no longer for sale, let's open it up and take a look inside. Hopefully we can repair it and put it back in the turntable. The different parts still look okay, so let's give it a good clean and put it back together again. We'll use a little bit of alcohol. So the play in this spindle has gone. Let's see what the resistance is. Let's connect this to the wiper. 6.4, 3.6, very good. I give it a turn. 6.9, 3.1. I think it's repaired. Let's put it back in place and see what it does inside the turntable. First I have to get this test circuitry out of the way. So let's put this one back in its place. All right, looking good. When I cleaned the variable resistor with alcohol, I forgot to lubricate it again. So now is a good time to spray some contact spray into this potentiometer or variable resistor, so the tracks are a bit lubricated. If tracks are not lubricated, it's also okay, but they will wear out sooner. So let's take a final test. Well, there you have it. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.